Hi everyone! Welcome back to Xianne's World. Xianne's World. Xianne's World. Today I'm gonna unbox. I reached 1,000 subscribers. My daddy gave me a present. Come on, let's open. Look at my box. I'm gonna open and see what's inside. Put it right here. Open it. Oh, so hard. Ow, my finger. What's inside the box? Let me open this one. A lot of things. Here. Wow! It's Hello Kitty box. Let me open it. Look at this. Ta-da! I'm gonna open this. It's me! Look at that! It says DJ Xianne's World. Yay! Ta-da! I'm a princess. Look at my face! I look so happy. But I'm not gonna open. I'm gonna put in the cabinet. Wow. So this is my dress, so beautiful and pink, and this is my hair, and this is my crown. Wow. It says DJ Xianne's World, it's color pink. Nail. Wow. Thank you, Daddy, for my present. Thank you for subscribing and watching all my video. Bye! Like this video and then subscribe and hit that bell. Ding 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 ding! The bell is coming. So bye! DJ Xianne's World.